Today we're working on some wood burning from an Indigenous artist, and so far it's been really fun to experiment with like the different techniques and the different tools that were brought today.
We're at Markville Secondary School. Today, very exciting, we have a wood burning project with Vicky the Real Artist, and she is teaching students how to wood burn.
So what we do is we use that burning edge. My name is Victoria Grant. I'm an Indigenous artist. I go by Vicky the Real Artist.
It's a really surreal experience being able to wood burn and really delve into the Indigenous culture and, their art.
Historically, Indigenous storytelling was not written. It was always verbal or visual. So wood burning, the art of pyrography. We make art by burning the wood or singeing the wood.
It was like a little scary at first, but it's honestly pretty easy. You just have to go like slow and steady, and it's pretty fun.
I learned that wood burning takes a lot of patience and concentration.
So it's very little pressure, it's very slow going.
Having hands-on projects like this makes it a lot more fun for the students.
It actually teaches you things that you'll remember later in life. The hands-on stuff actually helps you remember things.
I think it helps us connect to different cultures and ideas because we're really researching all the different symbolisms and meanings.
They're really taking English, geography, and woodshop and combining all the classes together and making a statement piece, like an installation for their school.
It's going to be a land acknowledgement signpost. So all these students here have researched beforehand on the real names of areas in the land acknowledgement.
So these directional arrows were carved here in the school, and it's going to be on a pole with all the arrows actually facing the directions of the First Nations that they represent.
I think it really helps us to connect with like the different ideas and stuff that we're learning. It helps us to connect to other cultures and traditions.
I hope they're remembering a little bit of some of the teachings that I've told.
It's not just these 90 students who are getting this experience. Once this project is completed, we are going to have a permanent installation here at Markville where the learning is going to continue.
And it's going to be in the school, hopefully, for a long time to come. I just love the whole project. It's opening their eyes to things that they didn't know before, and that's extra knowledge that they'll have hopefully forever.